How to set up Amazon seller account from scratch. So first of all, get in any browser. For example, I'm going to go to my Google, and in here what we're gonna do is search for amazon.com. Let's search for amazon.com just like this, amazon.com. Tap on it and it will take you straight to the Amazon website. In here you can tap on sign in option right here. Then in here you can see there is the option of adding your email and or phone number, but instead of here what we're going to do is tap on create a free business account. Then we'll get to the further process of entering our email address. So in here I recommend you guys enter your work email address instead of your personal email address. Then tap on get started. Then you'll be required to fill up all of your business details. Simply do that, and in order to confirm it you'll need to finish it off and you'll be able to create your business account. So after creating your business account, through that business account you will be able to sell all of the Amazon products that you want, and that's it.